Upbeat music playing. Title: Unlocking the Power of Data. Feature engineering techniques in machine learning. On-screen text. Welcome back to our AI channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing aspect of machine learning feature engineering. If you're looking to boost your model's performance, this is the place to start. So, what exactly is feature engineering? It's the process of transforming raw data into meaningful features that enhance the predictive power of your models. Think of it as refining crude oil into high-octane fuel for your algorithms. By creating new variables from your existing data, you can simplify complex patterns and improve model accuracy. This step is crucial, regardless of the data or architecture you're working with. Now let's explore some key techniques in feature engineering. First up, feature creation. This involves generating new features from your existing data. For example, if you have a date feature, you can extract day, month, or year to provide more granular insights. Next, feature transformation. This includes scaling, normalizing, or encoding features to make them suitable for your model. Techniques like logarithmic scaling can help manage skewed data distributions. Then we have feature extraction. Methods like principal component analysis or PCA reduce dimensionality by identifying the most important features, helping to simplify your model without losing critical information. Don't forget feature selection. This process involves selecting the most relevant features for your model, which can improve performance and reduce overfitting. Lastly, handling missing values. Techniques like mean imputation or using algorithms that support missing values can help maintain the integrity of your dataset. Remember, effective feature engineering requires a deep understanding of your data and the problem you're trying to solve. It's both an art and a science. We hope this overview helps you harness the power of feature engineering in your machine learning projects. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments, and we'll deliver a video on it within the next 6 hours. Upbeat music playing. Subscribe for more AI insights, fade out, end of video.